Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be my April Boxycharm unboxing, which I just got last week, and so I've only really tried out a few of these things. So this is really going to be like a first impressions, and there's something in my eye. Anyway, so this is going to be my April Boxycharm. So as always, we got it in a little Boxycharm box, and it also came along with this, which has a description of the products and also has two offers. So there's one from Dr. Brandt that you can scan the code and they'll give you an exclusive deal on something. And then there's also a coupon for 10% off on Tarte.com. And I was just thinking I needed some more concealer, so that works out nicely. But yeah, so for today's look, I'm going to be using obviously most of the products in this box. I'm going to have to substitute a few that I've already had, but that's just how it goes. And I've kind of decided to do a lighter look today. I'm not going to do any foundation. I'm just going to kind of do a simple, everyday, clean, glowy look. So yeah, let's get started with my April Boxycharm. So the first thing that I'm going to use is not from this month's Boxycharm. It's from a few months ago, but we got in April's Boxycharm, we got a Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask. And a few months ago, we got the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer. So I'm not going to use the mask right now just because I'm going to be putting on makeup, but I am going to be using this primer that we got from Dr. Brandt in our Boxycharm a few months ago. So I'm just rubbing that on my skin. My face always gets like super red after I touch it, but oh well. So next I'm just going to do some concealer in a few spots. This is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. Also not from our Boxycharm box, but you know, what are you gonna do? And I'm just kind of dotting this in places that I need it, and I'm actually just gonna go right in and use my fingers. Fun fact, my dog ate my beauty blender the other day, and I haven't replaced it yet, so I've just kind of been using brushes and my fingers and just rolling with it because I'm too lazy to go out and get one. Now I am going to set that with powder, but before I do, I want to use one of the actual products that we got in our Boxycharm, which is the Tarte Tartist Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter, and mine came in the shade Stunner. So this looks like this, comes in a little tube, and I'm just going to squeeze a little bit out on my hand, just like that, and I'm going to put that kind of at like the tops of my cheekbones. And then my Cupid's bow. Above my eyebrows. And I'm just going to put a little bit more like on the super tippy tops of my cheekbones. I'm going to go in and set the concealer, and I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Translucent Powder, Loose Finishing Powder, I don't know. But I'm really not going to use much powder because I don't want to take away from that highlight that I literally just put on. So I do already have my eyebrows filled in, but the next product, oh, I've been so bad about telling you these prices and everything. Oh my goodness. Okay. So the Dr. Brandt Pores No More face mask is usually $47. for this little guy, $47. I paid $21 for the box, so that's pretty cool. And the Tarte Pro Glow is usually $29. Yes. So now I'm going to go in with a brow gel. This is from Brow Gal, Tonya Crooks, the Instant Brown Hair Tinted Brow Gel with Microfibers, and this is in the shade, Brown Hair 02, I guess. So it comes in a little black tube like this, and has like the little wand, just like you would see on any brow gel, and this is usually $22. And so I'm going to use this to just kind of sweep my hairs up. And then across, just so they kind of stay in place. So yeah, that was the brow gel. I have to let it dry. I don't know why I'm feeling it now. So I will come back to this. But for now, I'm going to move on to the eyes. And I really love this month overall, but I was super excited about this. This is the ColourPop My Little Pony eyeshadow palette. And it's so cute. It's as cute as you would assume for My Little Pony. And they all have names of like what I assume are the different ponies on the show or whatever. So yeah, that comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 shadows. Yes, I can count. 12 shadows, a mix of matte and shimmers, and yeah, I'm super excited to use this. So I'm really just kind of not going to do a huge look today just because the rest of my look is pretty minimal. So I'm just going to take first this color here, which is Butterscotch on the end here, and just use that as a transition shade. And then I'm going to take the shade right under it, which is Applejack, right here, and I'm going to do pretty much the same thing. And then I'm going to go in with this shade over here, Flutterby, which is just a matte pink, muted pink. Still using the same brush in my crease. And, oh, why not? I'm also going to use this pink over here, Sky Dancer. And then for my lid, I am so excited to use this color down here, which is Firefly. It's like a purple, but it has flecks of like blue and purple, and it's really pretty, so hoping that this is nice. This would definitely be cool with some Fix Plus or setting spray with it. It definitely needs a little something, you know. Actually, that's really nice. I like that a lot. It's a very intense look for the eyes, for considering I have nothing on my face, but we're just gonna roll with it. So I'm just gonna go in for my lower lash line and use this Flutterby shade again. And I forgot my mascara in the other room, so before I run and get that, I'm going to do my lips with a product that we got in the box. This is the Ades High Definition Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade it. I can't find it on the bottle or on the box, but I do like this shade. And also, the My Little Pony palette from ColourPop is usually $16, and this liquid lipstick is $24. Okay, so good deal with the box this month. And that is the lip color. I really like it, and it smells good. I don't know how to describe it. It's vanilla-y, I guess. But I'm gonna go quick and run and put some mascara on, and I will be right back to show you the whole finished look. So for mascara, I'm just gonna use the Tarteist mascara, which I got in Boxycharm a few months ago. And I'm also just going to take this white shade in the palette, Bluebell. I don't know why it's called Bluebell. And I'm going to use that on my brow bone and inner corner. So this is the finished result. It's a lot more than I thought it was going to be. I was just kind of trying to go for something quick and glowy, but I feel like with this lip color and with the eye look that I did, it just kind of turned into a little bit more. But I actually really like the way my skin looks without foundation right now and just like the glow. So maybe I'll have to try that out a little bit more. But yeah, so that was April's Boxycharm. We got 5 items, and they're all a really good deal. I mean, you pay $21 for this box, and I mean, this alone was $47, so that's pretty cool. I will try that out tonight and let you know what I think of it. But that's it for now. Make sure you check out my blog and my Pinterest and my Facebook and everything like that. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!